If you've ever opened a Word document and noticed comments hidden all over the place, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to view all comments in Microsoft Word, so you can quickly review feedback, navigate through notes, and make edits with confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document that contains the comments you want to review. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the Review tab. This is where Word keeps all of its tools for tracking changes, checking edits, and managing comments, so it's the best place to start. After you're on the Review tab, find the Comments section. In that area, look for the Comments drop-down menu. This menu gives you more control over how comments are displayed, and it's the key step for seeing the full list instead of jumping through them one by one. Now click the Comments drop-down, and from the options that appear, choose List. When you select List, Microsoft Word will display all comments in a structured view, making it much easier to see every comment in the document at once. This is especially helpful if you're working with a long file, collaborating with a team, or trying to review a large number of revisions quickly. Once you click List, you should now be able to view all the comments together, which makes it much simpler to scan through them, understand the feedback, and respond where needed. From here, you can read each comment more efficiently and move through your document with a clearer overview of what needs attention. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, open Word, go to the Review tab, open the Comments drop-down, and click List. In just a few seconds, you've got a complete view of all the comments in your document. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Easy Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.